In today's video, we're gonna check out the top 10 popular Halloween products in 2019. I made list based on my personal opinion are trying to list. Number 1. Gothic Halter Bodycon Tops Women Black Skull Print Punk. Streetwear Fashion Female Tops Pentagram Hollow Out Off Shoulder Top. Get 48% discounts 4.8 stars review 160 orders price is US $8.03. Number 2. Aelfric 2019 Japan Style Tops Monster Printed T-Shirt. Women's Summer Long Sleeve Hip Hop Cotton Harajuku Streetwear T-Shirt. Get 45% discounts 4.9 stars review 100 plus orders price is US $18.70. Number 3. KYKU Skull Dress Women's Skeleton Boho Grey 3D Print Ink Office. Gothic Beach Women's Clothing Vintage Ladies. Get 35% discounts 4.5 stars reviews 200 plus orders US $5.95. Number 4. 2019 New Men's Motorcycle Leather Jacket Boomer Men. Slim lapels leather jacket skull punk style high quality. Get 50% discounts 5.0 stars reviews 20 orders US $50. Number 5. 2019 New Boys T-shirt tops with cape Superman Batman. Summer short sleeve T-shirt baby boys clothes children. Cosplay costume get 38% discounts 5.0 stars reviews 72 orders $7.63. Number 6. Halloween Pumpkin LED String Lights Lantern House Party. Garland Light Decoration Merry Christmas Tree Santa Claus. Drop Ornament US $1.38 28% off 4.7 stars review 150 orders. Number 7. NASTASIA 10 PCS Lot Halloween Latex Balloon 12-inch. Black Orange Holiday Parties Dress Up Balloons. Get 2.39 per lot 3.8 star reviews 60 plus orders. Number 8. Halloween LED Mask Purge Mask Selection Mascara Costume. DJ Party Light Up Masks Glow in Dark Neon Mask Free Shipping. Get 4.9 stars reviews 5% discounts 1360 reviews 3,477 orders. Number 9. Our Warm Halloween Decor Props Black Lace Spiderweb Curtain. Tablecloth Fireplace Bats Mantle Scarf Trick or Treat Banner Cosplay. 4.9 stars reviews 30% discounts 190 plus reviews 589 orders. Number 10. Halloween Ghost Hanging Decoration Indoor. Outdoor Spectre Party Ornament Utility. Get 4.8 stars reviews 16% discounts 1600 plus orders. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.